Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Simple Programming and here we'll try to make the programming easy for all. Today we want to talk about Laravel. Laravel is an PHP framework that helps you to build modern and robust web applications, websites and backends, APIs and etc. In this series of learning videos we will teach you all about Laravel. But let's start to install the Laravel. For running the Laravel, we will require to have some commands like git, composer, and PHP. If you did not already install this on your machine, please see our video about installing these commands. I will put the link in the details later. Okay, let's look at the Laravel websites. As you can see in laravel.com, you can see the documentation and more information about this framework. For installing this Laravel on your computer, after installing other commands like composer and PHP, because it will be required later, we will use the composer command. Composer create This is the general command for installing the Laravel using the composer. Also, you can use it by downloading the source code from the GitHub or using git clone. But I guess this is the best way for installing the Laravel. After this command, you will need to type your project name. For example, I will type my project. As you can see, the composer tries to install the Laravel command in my computer and also clone the project. Okay, now it's finished. That is it, the process of installing the Laravel. But there is some things that you need to know about the Laravel, and we will talk about them in our next videos. For start, for running the Laravel, you want to use the PHP artisan. Okay, let's start with the directory. When we create a new project, we need to go to change to that directory. For example, my project was that, and here you can see the list of files and folders that belongs to this to the Laravel. And as you can see, here is the artisan, which is the command that designed by PHP for working on Laravel and running it. For example, for running the Laravel on your computer, you need to type PHP artisan serve. As you can see here, there is a path for that the Laravel is already run on my computer, and it's on localhost. As you can see, here is the dashboard and the starter page of Laravel. You can access the documentation, and also you can see the videos the tutorial videos about the Laravel. And this is it, the basic steps for installing Laravel. In the next videos we will talk about other stuff and other part of Laravel, how to make a model, how to design our project. In the next videos we will talk about how to use Laravel in your project and how you design your models, your controllers, and other things that you need to run your project with the Laravel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you need any help about programming, especially in Laravel, you can ask me in the comments and I will answering that very soon. Thank you again. Bye bye.